Thank you for being with us. I'm Simone Woolridge. Good to be with you this afternoon. We have team coverage this afternoon on several developments we are following on the coronavirus and mask restrictions easing up. This is really big news. So first, after a judge overturned a federal mask mandate on public transportation, masks are no longer required on airplanes. We want to break this all down for you. That ruling also means masks are no longer required on buses and trains on the federal level. And MCTS announcing today you no longer need a mask to ride. And also starting today, students and staff at Milwaukee public schools are no longer required to mask up. So we want to begin with that federal mask mandate on public transit being struck down. The ruling means that for the first time in months, masks are no longer required on airplanes, trains, buses, and even other mass transportation. We were at Mitchell International Airport this morning and saw some people still wearing masks. Look at your screen here. Others were not. But last week, the Biden administration once again extended the rule to expire on May 3rd, citing a rise in coronavirus cases. Now, we don't know if the Justice Department will appeal or try to block the judge's order. But as for travelers in Milwaukee, reactions varied. Take a listen.
When you talk to people, not just a personal thing, these things don't really mean a lot of difference when it contains, stopping the things that make you sick.
I think as long as the option is there, then that's good for people to make that choice.
Yeah, certainly a hot topic. Enforcement is now up to the airplanes, but we know the nation's largest carriers, including American, United, and Delta, say masks are optional. The ruling not just impacting air travel. Passengers no longer need to wear a mask on trains, buses, and other mass transit. Mary J. Ola is live at the Milwaukee County Transit System's administrative building with this side of the story. Mary Jo, have you been talking to people? What have you been hearing, if so?
Well, Simone, I talked to one of the bus drivers here at MCTS, and while the masks are now optional on these buses, she says she'll continue to wear her mask at least because it makes her feel more comfortable and safer while operating that bus. But again, whether you're riding a bus, train, or rideshare, masks are no longer required. However, organizations like Amtrak, as well as rideshare companies like Uber and Lyft, are encouraging using face masks as a way to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. Now, we did talk with MCTS this morning. This is what they had to say about this change moving forward.
We're just asking people to use their best judgment, and some people are going to still choose to wear a mask while others aren't. We're still providing masks and hand sanitizer on all buses while supplies last.
Now, one of the major rideshare companies, this one's Lyft, says, as always, drivers or passengers can decline rides if they choose so. Interestingly enough, though, a lot of companies are encouraging respect. They're emphasizing respect as people either continue to wear masks or decide not to. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Mary Jo, TMJ4 News.
All right, thanks, Mary Jo.